Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block AliExpress emails. If you don't want to receive emails from AliExpress, or in a simple language, if you want to block all the AliExpress emails, then the process is quite easy. Start off by open your AliExpress application and also make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner, and then tap on the settings button at the top right. Inside the settings menu, tap on notifications settings. Now tap on manage email subscriptions at the bottom, and then go ahead and disable all of the emails that you don't want to receive from the options. Simply toggle off the button right next to the option you don't want to receive the email from. For example, if you don't want to get daily deals update from AliExpress, then you can toggle off the button right next to daily deals. And if you toggle off all of the buttons, you will not receive emails from AliExpress. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.